Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be repotting this big arrangement that I purchased at Home Depot a while back ago, and we got some rain and it had sticks on fire in there, and this sticks on fire rotted right here. So you guys can see it had several pieces. I can rescue this, you know, it's not hard, so I might do that. I'm not sure. And then I'm also this had tons of soil. It was packed, right? And I took the soil out and I mixed some of my Miracle Grow and Turfus and a little bit of worm casting, but I also used some soil that came in one of the planters from Altman's plants. It was good soil. There's nothing wrong with it, so that's what I'm going to use. But right now I'm going to decide. I don't need all this soil in here for these plants. You know, they don't need that much, especially here. You know, we get a lot of rain during this time, so I don't want to have to worry about that. I also, here's my soil. I also added more Turfus because I need to be aware of the rainy season that's gonna come our way. And yeah, if my plants are not in terracotta pots, then I need to be very conscious about making sure that I have enough drainage in there. So, I mean, I always wondered what would happen if I just planted them in mostly Turfus and very little soil, because I do see on Instagram people in different countries. It might look like it's Korea, I'm not sure. Whatever they use, whatever mixture they use, it doesn't look like soil. It looks just like a lot of, you know, little rocks and stuff like that, but it doesn't look like soil at all to me. So yeah, so hopefully I've put hopefully I was able to make a good mixture, hopefully. And yeah, some of the plants started to also drop some leaves here. This flapjack dropped a few of its leaves. So yeah, I knew something was wrong with the arrangement because I started to see the sticks on fire was just flopped over. So I knew something was wrong, so I investigated. 6 o'clock in the evening, and it just feels really nice. And I was outside getting ready to mess with this, and I decided to record for you guys. I've been busy, so I haven't been able to record, and so yeah, I wanted to do that. This is a big let me see if I can remember what it's called. A big glow, something. It's very it's not a golden glow, something glow. I'll look for it for you guys. I know you guys know the name because it's been pretty common lately at Home Depot. It's so big right now. It wasn't getting a lot of sun either where it was, so that's why it's all open like this, because it wasn't getting a lot of sun. But I'm going to get her to get more sun. I can't believe she was in here, because now she just looks too big. It's like, how was it in here? You know? Yeah, I don't even know how she was in here. Kind of want to remove some leaves. I do and I don't. You know, maybe I need to put her in here first. It would be good if she's kind of like an angle. So when she does get rain, the water just goes right off of her. So I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to angle her like that. And just push the soil up there. Make sure all her roots are covered. I really liked the way the sticks on fire looked coming out the middle, but it died. I'm not sure what this one is. It had a different, it looked darker. I believe I took a picture of one at Home Depot that I saw that had a name in order to compare it. So it could be that one. I don't think it's Echeverria Sleepy because it's just too big. And then the colors were different, you know. When she was getting, in Home Depot, she was getting a lot of sun. She looked way darker. I might in the future take this out and use them in another arrangement. I'm just trying to put them back in here for now since they were struggling. I don't know if I like it there, to be honest. I just don't know if I like it there. Okay, I think that's good right there. So wide. Goodness. I don't know what to do. Maybe I'll leave that one down. Okay. There we go. That was pretty easy. So, yep. If I would have kept ignoring this plant. Oh no, wait. I'm not done. I forgot there was more plants. I had a few more right here. I had these. This, I believe, is Echeverria Sleepy. These were in here as well. Okay, this one's gonna have to definitely move over. Here we go. Like that. Okay, I think it's good. down. Knock down a leaf. Trying to move this over here. What's happening? Why is the doggy upset? Oh gosh. They're just barking. Nothing's happening. It sounded like something was happening, but nothing's happening. Okay, I think it's good. Now it's gonna be able to pull through, and it should do well with whatever rain hits it. So yeah, that's it, guys. Just wanted to say hi, and just tell you guys I appreciate you all leaving great comments all the time, and YouTube has become very special to me, with all you guys commenting how relaxing my videos are, and how you guys are able to, how my videos help you guys, and that really humbles me. So I just want to say thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a wonderful and blessed day, and tomorrow's Friday. Woohoo! Bye guys.